How you doing, guys? This is Eric from ruledwasteland.com. As you can see from the demographic stats from my YouTube channel, prepping community can be kind of a sausage fest sometimes. It's always exciting to see that it's not actually just dudes out there that are into preparedness. There are some women too. Not nearly as many necessarily, but they're definitely out there. And I just wanted to highlight a couple channels that I'm subscribed to. I know there's a ton more out there, so if you know of any great ones, guys or girls, put them in the channel below, because I'm actually not subscribed to a ton of prepping channels, maybe just a couple dozen at max. But anyways, there's a couple preparedness ladies that I wanted to give a shout out to and highlight their channels and just tell you a little bit about them. First one is Prepper Princess. She's been around for a little while, and her channel recently got a lot bigger. In fact, she's passed me up now, I think. So you should tell her people to sign up to me instead of the other way around. But she focuses a lot on the financial side, how to save money, the little tricks you can do to make money here and there to save money, stuff like that, making cheap meals, all sorts of stuff like that is what she's been focusing on lately, which is super interesting and super useful. I've had videos in the past, way back when I think one of them was about how that's basically the most important thing you can do to be prepared in general, is to fix your finances and stock up extra money so that you can do these other things as well. And so that's super fantastic. Head over to her channel and let her know that I sent you, and if you want to subscribe. Next one is Morgan from Rogue Preparedness. She's a little bit of a smaller channel. I think she's around 10,000 subscribers right now. She's been doing all sorts of stuff, everything from not bow hunting, but like bow skills to basic bushcrafting type stuff, bug out bags, all sorts of stuff. And one of the things that I really like about her channel is that she really stresses the importance of delicious hams.
Ham is really the way to go. I'm sorry to break it to you. Ham is the way to go. I mean, ham is far superior. It just is. Everything about ham is just better.
So I've been giving her a hard time about that for whatever reason. I watched her video on ham radio, and I just thought it would be funny if you were talking about actual hams instead of a ham radio. So I've been trolling her page almost daily, talking about fucking hams related to everything. So if you're watching this, Morgan, I'm just messing with you. I'm having fun. I love your channel. So go check that out. I don't know why the ham thing is so funny to me, but it's just been cracking me up. So I'm probably not going to stop anytime soon, so you're just going to have to deal with it. But hopefully a few subscribers sent your way will ease the burden. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this channel, guys. If you have any that you think I should check out, just post them in the comments below. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And a lot of people are not getting proper notifications, so make sure you check the little bell, because a lot of people are just not getting notified that I've made new videos. And what I want to start doing too is go to ruledwasteland.com, and on the sidebar you'll see the email list. I'm probably just going to start shooting an email out every time I upload a video. Just, hey, new video, nothing spammy, nothing like that. So if you're one of these people who's not getting the notifications, make sure you subscribe to my email list, which I haven't done anything. I haven't used it at all. I definitely don't spam it. I haven't used it in many, many months, maybe even over a year. So I'm just probably going to shoot an email, new video up. That might be it. So, and that'll just help some people get notified. And also, you should subscribe to that, because that's how we'll notify people of giveaways, even if you're Patreon and stuff like that. It's just a lot easier to get a hold of you through the email list. So subscribe on that at ruledwasteland.com. Check out these ladies' videos. Let me know if you think they would survive the apocalypse in the comments below. And thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later.
You know, it's a little bit smaller, and there's some adjustments that we have to make. You know, it doesn't fit like a lot of ham that we used to have in the Jeep, but we still have a lot of stuff. And since it is the middle of summer, we have to do some slight adjustments on our kits that we have in our car, mainly the ham kit, which I'm going to show you here in a second. There was a survey that I was told about, this survey in which people spend 60 to 70% of their ham in their car, and yet they don't have car ham. I mean, that's insane. You know, people do not keep their car fortified with emergency ham, and I'm not sure why.